90s baby, so nostalgic. Remember that Polly Pocket pink dye.
Hello and welcome to Naturally High, the channel that helps you grow your 4A, 4B and especially 4C hair to longer lengths. I love Cipriana Quann's hair. It is awe-inspiringly voluminous and stylish, and since we have similar textures and densities, I've long since experimented with some of her looks. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the ones I believe I've mastered, and I hope you enjoy it.
I'm not the cheerleader type.
Before we get into this, quick detour. In my last video, a lot of you talked about the message not being entirely clear, and the last thing I want is for my content to not be clearly communicated. So I'd like to experiment with something in this video. There is some text on screen now, some fill in the blank text. I would like you to attempt to follow and fill in as we go along, and by the end of the video all of this text should be filled in. These are the main take-home messages. These are the things you should take away from this video. Let's see how you do. You can already get started in the comment section below, and maybe you can do a comparison between what you think are the answers and what the answers actually are at the end of the video. Let's have some fun with this.
Nike pants, little white to little Zan, Dr. Dre to Eminem, Atlanta to Sudan, Sudan to Atlanta. He in love with my manners, radical 90s grammar.
Let's have a look at my hair. It's in clumps. When I take out my twists, I often like to treat myself to a twist out. What's special about this twist out is that I leave the roots of my hair plaited. This allows me to retain my sectioning surreptitiously whilst enjoying the appearance of loose hair. Since I'm lazy, my maintenance routine involves putting this twist out into 2 French plaits at night. Using this stretching technique, which is further described in this video, gives my mane a fresh stretch every day.
Magic rebellion, honey Virgo medallion, 24K gold Italian. Since 95 I've been flying, and who can stop me?
I'm not the cheerleader type. I'm more of a band geek.
Lizzie McGuire, you are not a geek. You are beautiful, you have great friends, you're smart, you're decent, you're compassionate.
Nice baby, so nostalgic, snap bracelets on my wrist, sticky hands on the ceiling, roll up, I can feel it, playing Legos with my cousins, bitch, shit hasn't changed, still can't tell me nothing, baby, I'ma always stay the same, running naked in my grandma's yard, catching lightning bugs underneath the stars, sipping Gatorade to sipping Lee, got my kissing tips from 17, magazine, even Steven, I play even Lizzie McGuire, I ain't even tired, right them like a horse in the Kmart parking lot. Skipping class for dollar movies, I'ma give my Dippin' Dots. Chewing hubba bubba gum.
However, my hair quickly loses the original definition from the twist out while retaining the clustered structure. Since I leave the original plaits in, my loose hair miraculously remains in workable sections.
Radical 90s grammar.
I call these bundled up masses of hair clumps. I'm going to take the front section, which will form the pompadour, and separate it. So I think this, and it's so easy to do this as well because with the clumped roots I can just pick them, I don't have to worry about parting. So I've got my pompadour section, now I'm twisting the section at the front. So now we can work with the back. So I like to position my bun so that it's slightly off center, giving me an asymmetric look. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to take the hairband from the front and I will wrap it round the hair twice. This is a really stretchy one. So I'm just wrapping it round here, just pulling this. Oh.
Got my kissing tips from 17 magazine, even Steven, I play even Lizzie McGuire. I ain't even tired, ride them like a horse in the Kmart parking lot. Skipping class for dollar movies, I'ma give my Dippin' Dots. Chewing hubba gum, drop the L under my tongue, run it back like Forrest Gump.
It's from Kylex, that's a Trinidadian brand, and I'm just going to put a few drops into my hand. May be able to see that they are absolutely fine. Because I used flaxseed gel when I did my twists, the ends are not knotty at all. They are clumped, but I do not have to worry about single strand knots. I also oil my ends very often, and I do take care of my ends while my hair is clumped to prevent any untoward situations. So now I'm going to plait my hair. And I do this kind of like a French plait. So I take the top and I plait the bun, starting with a small section at the top and working my way down. So I just grab some hair.
From skipping rope to skipping class.
After a while, when I feel I can't comfortably plait anymore, I start to twist. And I twist like so. Now, something I've recently started doing to prevent knots at the ends of my hair is sticking my finger here, taking the hair, and then wrapping it round the body of the plait. That keeps my ends in a stretched, detangled state, and it gives them a nice curl if I'm wearing my hair loose. I'm just going to tuck this plait into the bun, like so.
So can't tell me nothing, baby, I'ma always stay the same.
Now I'm going to do a pompadour going forwards.
Got my kissing tips from 17 magazine, even Steven, I play even Lizzie McGuire.
I do a plait, not right at the top, but sort of midway down the section.
Drop the L under my tongue, run it back like Forrest Gump. I was born in 94, Space Jam, this your dance, sweatsuits, Nike pants, little white to little Xan, Dr. Dre.
And now I'm going to do what I did with the other section. So wrap the ends round the body for that nice stretch at the ends. This is always an imperfect pompadour, it's never a perfect fringe, but so be it. So I'm going to grab some curvy grips and show you the end. I will be pinning here and here.
With a locket, protected all of my thoughts. Like purple grape, soda pop, Coca-Cola, chip and chop. At recess, we play house, watching and snacking some tater tots. Went from skipping rope to skipping class, painting grass to smoking that. Pass it like some stray days. Poppy wanna play date. He just got me faded, got me riding on his spaceship. Baby, ride up on my cadence. He told me that I'm his favorite. Been loving myself lately, revolution on the daily. Like a last I've been saying on some bad chick rebellion. Honey Virgo medallion, 24K gold Italian.
This bonus footage shows you what the style looks like if you only put the hairband around once. I've changed to a tighter hairband. Let's do this. Quickly, quickly, quickly. I'm gonna speed it up.
You're smart, you're decent, you're compassionate.
These babies so nostalgic, snap bracelets on my wrist, sticky hands on the ceiling, roll up, I can feel it. Playing Legos with my cousins, bitch, shit hasn't changed. Still can't tell me nothing, baby, I'ma always stay the same. Running naked in my grandma's yard, catching lightning bugs. bugs underneath the stars. Sipping Gatorade to sipping Lee. Got my kissing tips from 17 magazine. Even Steven, I play even Lizzie McGuire. I ain't even tired. Ride them like a horse in the Kmart parking lot. Skipping class for dollar movies. I'ma give my Dippin' Dots. Chewing hubba bubba gum. Drop the L under my tongue. Run it back like Forrest Gump. I was born in 94. Space Jam. This your dance. Sweatsuits. Nike pants.
And as another bit of bonus footage, I'm going to show you what I do with this bit here because I feel like it looks really scalpy, and a bit here. So I'm just going to add a bit of eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, to this part here and here. So I've got some eyeshadow here, just going to take some. Now for a recap. Clumped hair is clustered loose hair resulting from previous twists or plaits. Plaiting the base of twists leaves a useful anchor for retaining sections. Clumped hair looks its best when stretched every night. Wrapping the ends before rolling or tucking them prevents knots. How did you fare on our little quiz? Did you know this already? Feel free to show off in the comments below.
Been loving myself lately.